Habib states, we were in Medina Munawwara when this news reached us that plague had hit Kufa. Atta bin Yasar and other people told me that Allah's Apostle ﷺ said, when you are in an area and plague breaks out there, do not leave that area. And when it reaches you that there is an outbreak of plague in an area, you must not go there. I said, from whom have you heard it? He said, Amir bin Saad used to narrate this hadith. I went to meet him, but the people there said, he is not present. I met his brother Ibrahim bin Saad and asked about him. He thereupon said, when Hazrat Usama radiyallahu anhu narrated this hadith to Saad, I was also present there. Hazrat Usama radiyallahu anhu said that he heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam say, this pain is a torment or a remnant of a torment. Therewith the people prior to you were tormented. So if plague hits an area where you are present, do not leave that area. But when this news reaches you that plague has broken out in some area, do not go there. Habib says that he said to Ibrahim, did you yourself hear Hazrat Usama radiyallahu anhu narrating this hadith to Hazrat Saad? And he did not raise any objection. He said, yes. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 5740.